What's up, guys? How you doing? Imagine this. You're a small business and you have lots and lots of support tickets, but such little time to answer all of them. Let me go ahead and show you guys an easy way to create your custom support agent trained on whatever you'd like in just minutes. So we're going to go ahead and click New Bot, name it DocsBot, and I'm going to make it our support agent here, right? And I'm going to just train this. Very simple. I'm already in. Just took me a couple seconds. I'm going to train this on some of the URLs from my website. So for example, I'll train it on this documentation here. I'll go ahead and copy the link and put it right in here, and I'll add it as a source. And while that's loading, I'm just going to go ahead and train this bot on my pricing. So if anybody asked about my pricing or how much anything costs on our website here, this bot will answer it for me, so that'll save me time for sure. Add this source here. Very easy. And after a couple seconds, it's just going to train my bot and I'll be able to chat with it. And it's done now, so I'll go ahead and ask it a question. For example, a customer might ask me, how much does DocsBot cost? And instead of me having to answer this and take up the time on my day to do this, my DocsBot support agent can handle this very easily for me. Look at that. Nice, simple, easy answer. Took only a couple seconds to answer that. So this will definitely reduce the amount of support that me or any other person owning a business or owning a website will have to answer. Requires zero coding, zero technical knowledge, very simple. As long as you already have documentation, you can use DocsBot. So go ahead and try out DocsBot for free today.